Well, the fins are so that normally they'll go in a circle like that. Sometimes you just leave them still, though, and the large fish will come into the hole so that you can throw a spear at them. And most of these camp up, we got a camp up in Canada. I caught a 4-pound smallmouth. And usually I get a fish that weighs around 3 to 4 pounds. I'll open the stomach after I've cleaned the fish. They had a mouse about 3 inches long in its stomach. And I got thinking about it later, the way I caught this fish, I threw up about 6 inches from a log that was out in the lake, coming in the lake. And that bass probably figured that, well, there's another mouse, fell off the log, and I'm going to get him. And he grabbed my bait, and like that. This frog, I'm not sure it wouldn't be all right because he looks pretty real the way he jumps up and down. We make the feet out of inner tube.
Oh.
Up in his nose. A little different action than the other decoy type.
Those look like
Wood that we use a wood that'll have a grain that after they're sanded, the soft part of the grain goes away and it leaves the ribs on it. And on the fish decoys, they look, the grain almost looks like scales of the fish. And much more natural than if you just use a clear paint right over it.
So in the heart, we can end the Awardee leaking like
fish can is painted black on the inside. Back any light from the sun right here comes down into the hole.
He'll be here tomorrow.
Scare the fish.
Oh, you like it.
So the light all comes from the ice outside the spear.
Well, these fish that you have.
Those are good. I just put them there because I like to fish. And a lot of people come by that were from Florida and they don't recognize the seabed. This one here, they get big. It's just like a bluegill. This one here is 20